Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Fiona. In today's video, I am gonna read about a book called Mantis, Cicada, and Siskin by Rebecca Hanlon. Cicada, Mantis, Siskin, Hunter. Cicada wakes up. His wings are very big. He can fly, fly, fly. I am very thirsty, he says. He flies to the river. He drinks some water. Mantis lives on a branch near the river. Her legs are very long. She can hop, hop, hop. I am very hungry, she says. She is ready to hunt. She stands still and waits. Cicada flies by Mantis. What a beautiful flower, he says. Cicada isn't paying attention, Mantis says. Mantis jumps on Cicada. Gotcha! I will eat you for breakfast. Mantis says. Oh no, please don't eat me. Cicada says. Cicada tries to fly away, but Mantis stops him. Siskin flies in the sky. He is bright yellow. He sees Mantis chasing Cicada. Mantis isn't paying attention. I'm so lucky, it's lunchtime, Siskin says. Cicada sees Siskin flying towards them. Look behind you, Cicada yells. Ha, you can't trick me, Mantis says. I'm not lying, turn around, Cicada says. Mantis turns around. Oh no, jump, Mantis says. Fly, Cicada says. But it's too late. Siskin lands behind Mantis. Gotcha! I will eat you for lunch, Siskin says. Oh no, please don't eat me, Mantis says. Mantis tries to hop away, but Siskin stops her. A hunter hides in the forest. He is hunting for food. He sees Siskin standing on a rock. He says, Siskin isn't paying attention. I'm so lucky. I see my dinner. Mantis sees the hunter hiding in the forest. Look behind you, Mantis yells. You can't trick me, Siskin says. She is not lying. Turn around, Cicada says. I will eat you now, Siskin says. The hunter shoots Siskin. Scared, Cicada and Mantis run away. Since then, all the animals in the forest always say, Heads up, eyes open. You must always pay attention. Attention. Beautiful. Behind. Branch. Breakfast. Chase. Cicada. Dinner. Flower. Food. Hide. Hop. Hungry. Hunt. Hunter. Land. Leg, legs. Long. Lunch. Mantis. Scared. Shoot. Siskin. Stand. Turn. Wing, wings. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!